In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook logo in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the Facebook logo inside Canva and how to place it neatly into your design without hunting around or guessing which graphic to use. Start by opening your existing Canva project. This can be any design you're working on, whether it's a social post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. Once your project is open, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a panel with several options. Click on Elements. This is the library where Canva stores shapes, icons, illustrations, and brand logos you can add to your design. At the top of the Elements panel, you'll find a search bar. Click into that search field and type the word Facebook. Press Enter. Canva will show a variety of results. To focus on the official style icons and simple marks, look under the Graphics section. That's where you'll see different Facebook logo variations: solid icons, outline icons, circular badges, and sometimes word marks. Some will be free, and others may have a small crown icon indicating they're for pro users. If you want to avoid watermarks, choose a free option. When you see the version that matches your design style, simply click it. Canva will place it directly onto your canvas. You can also drag it in if you prefer. From there, resize the logo by dragging any corner handle. Keep it proportional. Avoid stretching it vertically or horizontally, as that can distort the mark. Position it by dragging it into place. Canva's smart guides will help you align it to the center or line it up with other elements, keeping your layout clean and balanced. If the logo you select has editable colors, Canva will show color swatches in the top toolbar. Some official logos are locked to brand colors, which is normal and helps maintain brand consistency. If color options appear, use them thoughtfully so the logo remains recognizable and accessible on your background. If you don't immediately see a style you like, try refining your search. Typing Facebook icon instead of Facebook can narrow the results. You can also scroll a bit, as Canva often offers multiple styles from different creators. When you find one you really like, consider adding it to your favorites by clicking the little bookmark icon, so you can reuse it quickly in future designs. And that's it. Open your project, click Elements, search for Facebook, choose the logo style you want, and place it where it belongs. With those simple steps, your design gets a polished, professional touch in seconds.